Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Rodecaster Pro 2 and confirming firmware. This prevents surprises. Next, plug XLR mics and headphones, then set preamp gains near Unity so you have headroom. Once done, open Utility and set audio routing to USB or SD depending on whether you record multi-track or livestream. This step decides signal flow. Make sure phantom power is enabled for condenser mics, and that each channel receives signal on the meters before moving on. You now configure channels for recording quality and workflow. Assign every mic to its own track and enable the built-in compressor, noise gate, and EQ to taste. This shapes tone and reduces editing later. Then set up sound pads, load jingles, and set their outputs to either the mix or discrete tracks depending on post-production needs. Finally, create headphone mixes per talent. Balance levels so performers hear themselves without adding bleed into the recorded channels. You finish by performing a level check. Aim for peaks near -6 dB and averages around -18 dB, then record a short test track to confirm routing and file integrity. Once satisfied, start your session. Monitor meters and headphone mixes continuously. If you encounter clipping or latency, reduce preamp gain, disable non-essential DSP, and increase your computer or device buffer size. This usually resolves timing and distortion issues quickly. Contact Rode support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.